everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. It's Chandni and welcome to my channel Super School. So I'm back with another video for my vocabulary series, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, then you have to go back and watch my vocabulary series to learn more words in the most amazing way possible by sitting at the comfort of home and just watch my video and learn words in such a short period of time, like 3 to 5 minutes. Wow, that's amazing. So anyways, today I'm back with 3 more words, and the first word is artificial. Now, artificial is a common word, but do we use it? I don't think so. So that's why I thought of mentioning about this word and also discuss with you how to use them or in what context you can use artificial. So, artificial is an adjective. It means something made, not occurring naturally, something that is man-made. For example, table, it's an artificial thing, it's man-made. But tree are natural thing, right? Living thing. So tree. Now, many candies use artificial flavors to make them taste fruity. So many candies use artificial flavors to make them taste fruity. So I know you can relate to this because there are many products out there which use artificial flavoring, but they don't contain the real natural product. So anyways, now let's move on to assertion. Assertion is a noun, a strong declaration. So it's a noun. In the sentence it will be used as a subject and it means strong declaration. Now, his assertion that sharks are mammals made everyone laugh. So, it means that, when you declare something that you are so sure about it, but then maybe that information is not right, it will be sarcastic and it will make people laugh, So here, like in this example, I've used this kind of humor where his assertion that sharks are mammals made everyone laugh. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is austere. Austere, but the word and its spelling would make you stumble because the word and the spelling make some other pronunciation, and that's the common mistake we do, that we tend to pronounce the words with the spelling or following the spelling. But sometimes you have to understand that the words cannot be always pronounced by following the spelling. So austere is an adjective. It means extremely plain, extremely simple, stern and forbidding. That means it's plain, it's simple, it's straight. For example, he lived in a small, austere cabin in the middle of the woods. That means he lived in a simple cabin. But here I have used the word austere and raised the bar or the standard of the sentence. So use these sentences in your daily life conversation or while you're writing or while you are presenting or you are in a meeting and create amazing impression on people. So if you want to learn more words, then you have to like and subscribe my channel, follow my Facebook page, and also you can join my course that I'm offering to learn more with me. Thank you so much.